Hello, beautiful people, and welcome back to Home and Harmony. I'm absolutely thrilled you're here today because we're diving into something truly magical, creating that perfect Alvar Aalto-inspired summer sanctuary in your tiny Nordic apartment. There's something so incredibly soothing about Scandinavian design, especially when summer light floods through those gorgeous windows. Today, we're exploring how to capture that effortless Nordic elegance that makes every corner feel like a breath of fresh air. If you love discovering fresh design ideas that actually work in real life, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Your support truly means the world to me. And don't forget to share your own Nordic-inspired spaces in the comments below. Creating a welcoming Nordic entryway. Your entryway sets the entire mood for your Nordic summer retreat. And trust me, it's all about that perfect balance of function and serenity. Think clean lines meets warm functionality. Exactly what Aalto would have loved. Start with a sleek shoe cabinet in light oak or birch. Those gorgeous Nordic woods that practically glow in summer light. Add a simple floating shelf for keys and a small mirror with clean edges to reflect that beautiful natural light. A woven mat in natural fibers and a minimalist coat hook complete this space. The magic happens when you add just one organic element, maybe a small potted plant or a simple ceramic bowl for everyday essentials. Open plan living that breathes. Here's where Scandinavian design truly shines, creating flow in small spaces without sacrificing functionality. Your open plan should feel like one continuous, harmonious space where each area naturally flows into the next. Position your sofa to create a gentle division between living and dining areas, not a harsh barrier. Choose furniture with clean lines and raised legs. This creates visual lightness that makes your space feel larger. Your flat TV should blend seamlessly into the wall, perhaps on a simple floating shelf in that gorgeous Nordic wood. The key is maintaining sight lines throughout the space, allowing that precious summer light to travel freely from room to room. Simple elegance for summer gatherings. Your dining area embodies the Nordic concept of Hygge, that cozy togetherness that makes every meal special. Choose a simple wooden table, preferably in light oak or ash, with clean geometric lines that Aalto would absolutely approve of. Skip the tablecloth and let that beautiful wood grain shine through. Add just 2 or 3 ceramic pieces in soft whites or gentle earth tones, maybe a simple vase with fresh summer branches or a wooden bowl filled with seasonal fruit. The beauty lies in restraint here. Nordic design teaches us that less truly is more, and your dining table should feel like a calm oasis where conversations flow as naturally as the design itself. Functional beauty in Nordic style. Your kitchen becomes a celebration of Nordic functionality meets summer freshness. Think clean white or light wood cabinets with simple hardware. Those gorgeous leather pulls or minimal metal handles that feel so satisfying to touch. Your coffee station deserves special attention because, let's be honest, great coffee is essential to Nordic living. Position a sleek, compact coffee machine on a clean counter alongside a few favorite ceramic mugs in soft, muted tones. Add a small potted herb garden on your windowsill. Nothing says Nordic summer like fresh dill or parsley catching the morning light. Keep counters beautifully clear, storing essentials in those characteristically simple Nordic canisters that are both functional and gorgeous. A productive Nordic home office. Creating a Nordic-inspired workspace means embracing that perfect balance of minimal aesthetics and maximum functionality. Choose a simple desk in light wood, oak, or birch. Work beautifully with clean lines. And perhaps just one subtle detail, like slightly tapered legs that echo Aalto's organic approach to furniture design. Your small vintage radio adds that perfect touch of Nordic nostalgia while providing gentle background ambience. Add a unique small desk clock, perhaps in wood or simple ceramic, that speaks to Scandinavian craftsmanship. The magic happens in the details: a simple desk lamp with adjustable functionality, a small potted succulent, and maybe one inspirational book spine showing. Remember, Nordic design celebrates the beauty of purposeful objects. Your personal Nordic sanctuary. Every Nordic home needs that perfect reading nook where you can escape with a good book and a cup of coffee. Think of this as your personal Hygge corner where comfort meets beautiful simplicity. Choose a comfortable chair in natural linen or soft wool, something that invites you to curl up and stay a while. A simple side table in that gorgeous Nordic wood holds your coffee and current read. Add a soft throw in natural tones, maybe cream or soft gray, that you can wrap around yourself on cooler summer evenings. The lighting here is crucial. A simple floor lamp with warm, diffused light creates the perfect reading ambience. This corner should feel like a gentle hug, a place where time slows down beautifully. Nordic Summer Sleep Sanctuary. Your bedroom embodies the ultimate Nordic principle: serene simplicity that promotes restful sleep. Choose bedding in natural linen or cotton in soft whites, creams or gentle grays, colors that mirror Nordic summer skies. Your bed frame should be simple and unadorned, letting the beautiful textiles take center stage. Add 1 or 2 handmade pillows in subtle textures that invite touch. A simple wooden nightstand holds essentials, perhaps a small ceramic lamp, a glass of water, and your current favorite book. The key is creating a space so peaceful and uncluttered that your mind naturally relaxes the moment you enter. Window treatments should be light and airy, allowing that gorgeous Nordic summer light to gently wake you each morning. Clean Nordic functionality. Nordic bathroom design celebrates the beauty of clean functionality and natural materials. Your shower area should feel like a spa retreat with simple white or light stone tiles that reflect light beautifully. Choose fixtures in brushed metal or matte black for that subtle contrast. Nordic design loves your wasteful or wash basin. Should be simple and geometric. Think clean lines and quality materials. Add warmth with natural wood elements, perhaps a simple shelf or mirror frame in light oak. Storage should be hidden but highly functional, keeping surfaces beautifully clear. A few carefully chosen items: quality soap in simple packaging, a wooden brush, soft towels in natural colors, complete this serene space. Light is your design partner. Lighting in Nordic design isn't just functional, it's absolutely essential to creating that magical atmosphere we all crave. During summer months, maximize that gorgeous natural light by keeping window treatments minimal and choosing light, airy fabrics. Your artificial lighting should layer beautifully. Ambient lighting from simple pendant fixtures, task lighting from clean-lined desk or reading lamps, and accent lighting from carefully placed candles. Choose fixtures with organic shapes that echo Aalto's love of natural forms, maybe a pendant light that resembles a gentle wave or a table lamp with soft, curved lines. The goal is creating pools of warm, inviting light that make your space feel cozy even on the brightest summer days. Statement lighting with Nordic soul. Even in small Nordic apartments, the right chandelier can create pure magic without overwhelming your space. Think simple, geometric designs in natural materials, maybe a beautiful piece in light wood with clean lines, or a minimalist metal design that casts gorgeous shadows. The key is choosing something that feels intentional but not overpowering. Your chandelier should complement your space's natural flow rather than dominating it. Consider fixtures with adjustable height so you can customize the ambiance for different occasions. Nordic chandelier design celebrates craftsmanship and natural beauty, so look for pieces that showcase quality materials and thoughtful construction. Remember, in true Nordic style, your lighting should enhance the natural beauty of your space rather than competing with it. Extending Nordic living outdoors. Your balcony becomes an extension of your Nordic interior, a place where indoor comfort meets outdoor freshness. Choose simple, weather-resistant furniture in natural materials, maybe a small wooden table and chairs that echo your interior aesthetic. Add comfort with soft cushions in natural fabrics and muted colors that won't fade in summer sun. Plants are essential here. Think simple pots with herbs, small flowering plants, or even a tiny vegetable garden that connects you to Nordic traditions of growing your own food. String lights or simple lanterns create magical evening ambience. The key is maintaining that same serene simplicity that defines your interior spaces. Your balcony should feel like a natural continuation of your home's peaceful atmosphere. Handmade details that tell your story. This is where your Nordic space becomes uniquely yours through carefully chosen personal details. Handmade pillows in natural linen or wool add texture and warmth. While showcasing traditional Nordic craftsmanship, look for pieces that celebrate simple techniques like basic weaving or subtle embroidery in natural colors. Handcrafted accessories, maybe a ceramic bowl made by a local artisan or a simple wooden cutting board with beautiful grain. Bring that essential human touch. Nordic design celebrates these pieces should feel authentic and purposeful, not decorative for decoration's sake. Each handmade element in your space should serve a function while adding beauty, perfectly embodying Nordic design principles of honest functionality meeting aesthetic pleasure. Personalized rugs and soft furnishings. Nordic design has always celebrated beautiful textiles, and your personalized rugs become the foundation that ties everything together. Choose natural fiber rugs in simple patterns or solid colors that complement your overall palette. Think soft grays, cream, or natural undyed wool. These pieces should feel like they belong naturally in your space, not like they're trying to make a statement. Layer different textures thoughtfully, maybe a larger area rug, anchoring your living space with smaller accent rugs in your bedroom or entryway. The beauty lies in choosing pieces that age gracefully and improve with use, developing that gorgeous patina that makes Nordic homes feel lived in and loved. Your textiles should invite touch and create comfort underfoot. Decorative elements with Nordic soul. Your decorative walls tell the story of your Nordic sanctuary through carefully curated elements that celebrate simplicity and natural beauty. Think minimal art pieces in natural frames, maybe simple line drawings, botanical prints, or photographs that capture Nordic landscapes or architecture. Avoid overcrowding. Instead, choose one or two meaningful pieces per wall that create visual interest without overwhelming your serene space. Natural elements work beautifully here. A simple wooden shelf displaying a few treasured objects, or a small hanging planter with trailing greenery. Remember Aalto's love of organic forms and natural materials when selecting wall decor. Each piece should feel intentional and peaceful, contributing to your space's overall sense of calm rather than creating visual noise. And there you have it, beautiful souls, your complete guide to creating that dreamy Alvar Aalto-inspired Nordic summer sanctuary in your tiny apartment. Remember, Nordic design isn't about perfection. It's about creating spaces that nurture your soul and celebrate the simple beauty of everyday living. Start with one or two elements that speak to you most. Maybe that gorgeous entryway transformation or that perfect reading nook, and build from there. The magic happens gradually as you thoughtfully curate pieces that truly belong in your space. I absolutely love seeing your Nordic-inspired transformations. So please share your photos in the comments below. Your creativity always inspires me. Don't forget to subscribe for more design inspiration that actually works in real life. And hit that like button if this video sparks some beautiful ideas for your own space. Until next time, keep creating spaces that make your heart happy.